Good evening, ABR Market Watch viewers. As we wrap up the trading day, let's take a look at the key market events that have shaped our financial landscape. Today, Indian markets experienced a rally with the Sensex and Nifty climbing by approximately 0.3% each, driven by proposals to exempt insurance premiums from tax and anticipation of the Federal Reserve's interest rate cues. The Indian rupee also strengthened against the US dollar, albeit with resistance at key psychological levels. However, demand for government bonds has waned due to fiscal concerns arising from a proposed tax overhaul. Financial shares led the way, surging following the proposal to exempt insurance premiums from tax. Notable gainers include HDFC Life, ICICI Prudential Life, SBI Life, and Niva Bupa, up between 1 to 3%. Reliance Industries also saw a 1.2% rise. However, IT stocks slipped ahead of Fed Chair Jerome Powell's comments at the Jackson Hole Summit. The market remains optimistic about proposed GST reform plans but is cautious due to looming US tariffs on Indian goods from 27 August and uncertainties surrounding Russia-Ukraine peace talks. Smaller companies saw modest gains, with small caps and mid caps rising by 0.5% and 0.2%, respectively. Despite these challenges, the government's plans to lower consumption taxes are expected to boost GDP growth. However, India has stumbled from being the most favored to the least preferred Asian equity market in just 2 months. Global emerging market funds have significantly reduced their allocation to India, marking a 1-point decrease in July. This move follows foreign portfolio investors offloading Indian equities amidst a dismal earnings season and escalating US tariff concerns. Despite this global sell-off, domestic institutional investors remain bullish on India, with record high levels of equity mutual fund inflows seen in July. As we look ahead, the market outlook remains uncertain as investors reassess their preferences for Asian equity markets. Stay tuned to ABR Market Watch for more updates.